Are your highly customized business applications becoming outdated, buggy, or simply broken? Before you throw in the towel, how about an alternative solution? The GSI Application Modernization Group can greatly extend the life of the crucial business applications your company spends so much time and resources to develop. The need for app modernization accelerated during the pandemic when companies were forced to change the way they did business, almost overnight. Unfortunately, many of their custom business applications were not flexible enough to adjust to the new reality. Employees were logging in remotely from anywhere in the world. GSI's approach to this new reality is different. Instead of ripping and replacing legacy technology with a costly and untested new version, our application modernization team updates your applications to the standards of today. For instance, our team might build in newer features simply by rewriting code. Or they might migrate the data from on-premises servers to a more secure cloud environment. Using a paced, incremental, and modular process to update your legacy software is not unlike snapping Lego bricks together to build a house. The GSI App Mod team builds their updates with flexibility in mind. Each client will have the ability to move or upgrade applications at their own pace, updated legacy applications, and the refactoring of monolithic applications into microservices.
That's where our app modernization team really comes into focus. Not only do they do a lot of integration work using some of the more modern middlewares like Dell Boomi and Celigo, but they also can recreate applications using modern languages and document those applications and make them ready for modern systems.
But don't just take our word for it. See what our clients have to say.
GSI's paced modernization is proactive. That means our clients no longer have to worry about a custom app crashing the system just because a random software update failed to load properly. As a result, our clients' engineers can invest in the future instead of waiting for outdated technology to fail.
Say you got some green screen application or some Visual Basic application that was written 20 years ago, and you want to be able to use that out on a mobile device, that's one of the things that we can do.
Contact us today for a free evaluation to understand how GSI can modernize your custom business applications. Email us at sales@getgsi.com or visit our website at getgsi.com. We look forward to working with you.